Hi everyone, welcome back to Limelight Yoga. Today I'm going to be doing a 15-minute burnout workout for you guys because summer bodies are made in the winter. So it's an easy 15 minutes. Well, maybe not easy, but it's gonna be a quick 15 minutes. You're gonna get your sweat on, so get out your mat and let's get started. So we'll begin right away, just getting into our downward facing dogs. We're gonna send our hips up towards the sky. We're gonna make sure that our hips are rise up towards the sky. Our chest is reaching down towards our thighs here. You can begin to wiggle out our legs, stretching through our hamstrings, just warming our legs up. Maybe pedaling out your dog, maybe making some nice circles with your hips. So we're starting to warming up the shoulders, pressing ourselves up onto the tippy tops of our toes. Just moving through your body right now. We can take 1 minute to just come into our bodies. And then we'll begin. We'll first start by doing some A-frame touches. We'll touch our right fingertips to our left toes, placing our hand back, our left fingertips to our left toes, hand goes back. We shift our weight forward, coming into a high plank pose. We touch our right hand to our left shoulder, elbow, shoulder taps, left hand to left shoulder, making sure that our core is engaged, we're not wiggling through the hips. Then we shift our weight forward and flow through our chaturanga, high tilted plank, upward facing dog, chest lifts. Exhale, downward facing dog. So we'll do this a couple of rounds. Now that you know the basic movements, let's get started. We'll touch, touch, shift, high plank, tap, tap, lower down, chaturanga, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Perfect, tap, tap, shift, tap, tap, lower, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Beautiful, tap, tap, high plank, tap, tap, chaturanga. Let's see if we can speed it up just a little bit. Tap, tap, high plank, tap, tap, lower down, upward facing dog, downward facing dog, tap, tap, shift your weight forward, high plank, tap, tap, chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. 2 more times, tap, tap, shift your weight forward, tap, tap, lower down, chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Last one, tap, tap, shift your weight forward, tap, tap, lower down, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Beautiful work. Focusing back on the breath. We'll take an inhale, feeling your heart rate, noticing sensations in your body. And exhale. We'll caterpillar our toes, inchworm up, tippy toes up towards the front of the mat, coming into our forward fold. Inhale, rise up, circle through your arms. Exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And exhale, melt the heart. Plant the hands, hop back into your high plank. Shift your weight forward. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhale, right foot towards the sky. And exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lengthen, feet towards the sky. And exhale, knee to outside elbow. Inhale, lengthen through the leg, three-legged dog, and exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Shift your weight forward. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale, lengthen up, knee to chest, coming straight through. Inhale, lengthen, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to outside elbow. Inhale, lengthen, long three-legged dog, and exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Good work. Inhale, three-legged dog, and exhale, knee comes into chest. Hover here, suck in the spine, curl through, and we hold. 3, 2, and 1. Gently place your foot in between your hands. Rise up, inhale, high crescent lunge. Hands come to heart center, exhale. And now we're going to do some little twists and bends. So we're going to twist towards the right side as we lower down our knee, come back to center, rise up, and lower, and twist. Up, lower, and twist, and up, lower, and twist, and up. You got this. We're just lowering and twisting here. Feeling that nice strengthening through our quads, our glutes. Our core is engaged. We're using our obliques to really turn our torso over to the side. A couple more. And beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step your feet together. We're going into chair, straight into chair. The ground down into all 4 corners of your feet. Come on, you got this. We're gonna squeeze through our thighs. Our summer bodies are in the making. Come on, you got this. Ground down, ground down. And exhale, hands reach for the earth, forward fold. You can pedal out your knees. Sway your hips from side to side. Inhale, circle sweep your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And exhale, melt the heart. Blend the hands, hop back into a high plank. Step if that's necessary. And now we're going to inhale, downward facing dog. Left foot rises, three-legged dog here. Exhale, knee into chest. Inhale, rise and lengthen. Exhale, knee to outside elbow. Inhale, rise. Exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Inhale, rise. And exhale, knee into chest. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, knee to opposite elbow. Inhale. Exhale to opposite elbow. And inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Curl through the spine. Engage through the core. Come on, keep that knee raised. We got this. Raised. I don't know, I'm sweating. I'm breathing hard. I hope you're breathing hard. And 3, 2, 1. Plant your foot in between your hands. Rise up. High crescent lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to heart center. We're going to begin our twist. As we twist, we're going to slowly lunge down. And inhale, rise. Perfect. Start that twist from your core. We're using our obliques here. Engaging through the thighs, through the glutes. You don't want to straighten all the way up through your front leg, just your back leg straightens as you rise up. Stay strong here, a couple more breaths. Come on, you got this, feel the burn. I feel the burn. You got it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step your hands and your feet together. Come into chair. We sink down into our heels. Let your heart rate feel it in your chest. And now we're gonna rise up on our toes. We thought we were done, but we're not. Heels up and to the ground. Heels up and to the ground. Little heel raises here. You got this. A couple more. Come on. We can do 5, and 4, and 3. Come on, only 2, and 1. The legs are shaking. And now hands to heart, fold over. Woo, woo, woo. I told you it was gonna be a 15-minute quick burn. I hope you're burning. My legs are burning. Rock from side to side. Real gently inhale, circle your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, baby back bend, cactus your arms. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. And exhale, plant the hands, step back, high plank. Flow through your chaturanga, high to low plank. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And take a moment to notice your heart beating. Feel that energy in your body. We'll gently drop to our knees, cross our feet, and come into a nice seated position. Going into my favorite pose here, boat pose, grabbing the backs of your thighs. We roll back onto our little tailbone here. Feet rise up towards the sky. Maybe you can plant your hands back here if this is more stable for you. Or begin to bring your hands out to the side. Your toes may rise up as your legs zip close together. You got this. I believe in you. Smile through the pain, smile through the burn. We are getting stronger. You can let your knees bend. You can reach back, but you cannot stop. You got this. Come on, only a couple more seconds here. Breathing through the nose. Smiling. We are teaching our brains that this is good, that this is happiness. That working our bodies is good for us, because it is. And gently begin to lower down onto your backs, bringing your knees in by your seat. Your toes are planted on the earth. Your fingertips reach for your heels, making sure that your legs are hip-width distance apart. We'll put pressure into our heels as we press our hips up towards the sky, coming into our bridge pose. We can allow our hips to rise up, all the way up towards the sky. And just now we're going to do tiny pulses, all right? Tiny pulses. Itty bitty micro movements here, really engaging through the glutes. I want you to feel all of your muscle fibers contracting, letting go, contracting and releasing. We'll get the burn. Do you feel the burn? I want flame emojis in the comment section. Feel the burn. And tiny more. Come on, only a couple more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna lower, but we're not gonna drop our hips all the way down. I'm gonna lower down. And then we're gonna do tiny pulses down here. Tiny pulses down here. Tiny pulses. Again, feeling the release and the contract of your glutes. using a different part of our leg muscles here. Come on, you got this. Feeling every muscle fiber contract, consciously utilizing our muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We inhale, hips rise up. Come on, you got this. Now do you feel it? You feel the burn? I hope you feel the burn. You can roll your shoulder blades down behind you, underneath your back, fingertips to clasp. Or just stay, palms can reach for the earth. We hold. We got this. Breathing through the nose. Finding your peace in the stillness as you shake. I want to feel your legs shaking, your glutes shaking. You're engaging through every muscle in your leg right now. And exhale, slowly release, articulating the spine, slowly dropping your hips down to the earth. Maybe you're swiveling your legs from side to side, windshield wiper your thighs. And congratulations. You just did a 15-minute burn. And now you're on your way to feeling good, getting some endorphins in your body, giving love to your body by making it work. And bring your knees into your chest, give yourself a hug. Rock from side to side. And there you go, rock up and down, giving the whole of your back a massage. Rock and roll. And sit up nice and tall. Great work! You did it! 15-minute burn. And now you're on your way to your summer bod. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this burn. If you'd like to see more of these, more workout styles, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!